Hello everybody! Welcome back to Part 3 Taiwan. I'm Adrian, your host. I live in Taiwan. I want to show you around. Where are we today? Today we are at Lotus Pond. Lotus Pond is in the ZuoYing District of Kaohsiung. This was originally used by the local farmers for water. Lotus Pond has been expanded twice to its present size. There are more than 20 temples and a wakeboarding area here at Lotus Pond. Lotus Pond is a popular location to visit in Kaohsiung. Let's go take a look. Lotus Pond has a wake part. It looks a lot of fun. In 2016, they held an international competition here. Let's take a look. Back in the 1600s, when Lotus Pond was much smaller, the mayor decided to build a temple next to the lake that was here. Lotuses grew in that lake. It got named Lotus Pond, and now here we are today at the new, modern Lotus Pond. Let's get our bad luck washed away. All our bad luck has been washed away to make room for good fortune. This is the Spring and Autumn Pavilion, another very popular site here at Lotus Pond. According to legend, the goddess Taiwan appeared over the lake, flying on a dragon in the clouds, and the followers felt compelled to build the dragon with Taiwan riding on it as a statue as part of the spring and autumn pavilions. Behind me is Gimbal. It is 72 meters high. The sword is nearly 40 meters high. It claims to be the largest waterscape temple in Asia. This is the Kaohsiung Confucius Temple. Confucius played a big role in Chinese culture. He influenced education greatly. He had a strong belief in all who want to learn can and should learn. This temple was built and completed in 1977. The original temple here was built in 1684. The old site was on the west side of Lotus Pond. It is now an elementary school. This one is one of the largest in Taiwan. It holds a Teacher's Day festival at which it does the traditional 8 dancers or 8 rows of 8 dancers. The Confucius temples used to be schools. Students would come to get educated. They all could attend. It was Confucius's belief that everyone should be able to get an education regardless of their class or their means. This temple holds a big celebration every September 8th, which is Teacher's Day. It is Confucius's birthday. ends today's journey to Lotus Pond with its temples and lots of other attractions. Hope you enjoyed the trip. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.